Hi, I'm Lionel, this is TechLoto, and this is my unboxing and setup video for the Apple Watch Series 3. The first thing you need to do is pull the box apart. You'll see a leaflet on top that has some diagrams of the watch. It's just telling you how the buttons work and how to use it. Next, you see a little section where it says designed by Apple. This isn't just there for fun. If you pull out a piece of paper inside of it, you'll see that it gives the terms and conditions for the watch. But it also has a replacement band. It seems like Apple's using a lot of space just for a replacement band, but what else do you expect from Apple? Under that you can see the Apple Watch. It looks really simple. You can pull it straight out of the box and begin to set it up. But just for the sake of the video, we're going to complete the unboxing, then go straight back to the setup. If you lift the plastic casing away, you'll see a compartment under that, and the compartment has the charging cable for the watch and the charger. It's interesting how Apple's gone for this unique charging case. It's magnetic and it's weighted. I think it's a good idea because it allows you to place your Apple Watch on the table without it shifting whilst it's charging. As you can see, the charger is just a straightforward 3-pin plug or another design based on where you are around the world, and you just have to flick it open, plug in your charger, and you can charge your Apple Watch. So let's move on to setting up the watch. Press and hold the button on the lower right hand side of the watch and you'll see the Apple icon displayed on the watch. It may hang there for 30 seconds to a minute, but don't fret. There's nothing wrong with your watch, it's just loading up. Once it's been set up, it'll ask you to put your watch next to your phone. So bring your phone close to your watch. Sometimes if you have a heavy duty case, it can struggle to connect, but just bring it close together and you'll get a message on your phone asking you to approve the connection. Once you've allowed it, you'll get a message on your phone asking you to hold your phone camera up to your watch. I think this is a cool feature, but it can be very stupid. What happens if you've cracked your phone camera? Once you've done that, the Apple Watch will start to set itself up. You see a few messages on the watch. But keep an eye out, the watch will ask you to create a passcode. Create your passcode and then you can move on to the next step. Once your passcode has been created, it'll go back to the Apple icon with the pattern around it. This took a while, so I had an avocado break in the meantime. Once you see the Apple basic screen, you can either leave it and ignore it, or you can slide up and see how to use the watch. It will give you some instructions about how to use it, the different gestures that are available, the different touch sensors of the watch, what the watch does, where the microphone is, where the speaker is. You have an option to go through all of this, or you can just get straight into it and start using your watch. There's a lot to this watch and there's a lot to get used to. I am mindful that this is an older version of the Apple Watch and there's probably a lot of reviews out there. My plans are to create a fitness watch comparison video for the Apple Watch, the Fitbit Ionic and the Polar Vantage V. I'm going to run over 5K just to see how these different watches track your fitness and see how well they perform. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you'd like to see in the comparison video below, and remember to subscribe to TechLoto for more unboxing and setup videos. Also remember to visit the website.